This is the latest 10,000 mAh Xiaomi power bank Pocket Edition. Now I have to be honest, the only reason why I bought this power bank is that it looks good. The Xiaomi Power Bank Pocket Edition comes in two colors, light brown and light blue. Not the official names of the colors, but you can tell that this was made for the fashion conscious in mind. Plus, it is very compact. Theoretically, it can fit in your pocket, that is if you can handle the weight. Apart from the size and the look, there are three things which make the Xiaomi 10,000 mAh Pocket Edition power bank worth considering. It features a built-in Type-C bi-directional fast-charging cable, which means you can charge your device and recharge the power bank using the same cable. The power bank features a USB-A port and a USB-C charging port, which also supports bi-directional fast charging. Talking about fast charging, the Pocket Edition power bank supports up to 22.5 watts fast charging. Theoretically, it can charge your iPhone 14 2 times. Additionally, the power bank offers a low current discharge mode, which is activated by double-clicking the power check button. This is particularly useful for small devices with low battery consumption. Just like anything in life, it can't all be rosy. So what's wrong with the 10,000 mAh Pocket Edition power bank? Well, for starters, I don't think it's intelligent enough to cut off when a device is fully charged. I left my phone to charge for the night several times, and when I wake up in the morning, the power bank was dead. The power bank takes almost 4 hours to fully charge, even when using a fast charger. The power bank tends to get warm to the touch, particularly when fast charging a device. But not to worry, Xiaomi has put in place some measures to guard against short circuits, overvoltage, overcurrent, and any other hazard that may arise when using this power bank. Also, the power bank tends to pick up dirt easily. But this is just me nitpicking at the moment. Otherwise, the Xiaomi 10,000 mAh power bank is excellent, and I would definitely recommend. Now, the 22.5 watt 10,000 mAh Xiaomi power bank Pocket Edition is retailing under $20 in China. I'll leave a few links below if you intend to purchase one. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions regarding this video. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe as well.